Okay, so we're gonna start by removing the cover. The wheel liner has to come off. The module is right behind it. To see it, but that Torx is sitting right behind the that's an apron. Wow, that's crazy. So when you go right behind it, it's right there, see? So when you come to an angle, I don't want to strip it, but okay, you can see saw how tight that was. So I'm gonna try to squeeze this bad boy in there because you saw how tight it was. Kind of got me nervous a little bit. Okay, a little bit of perseverance and we got it in. Okay, make sure it's snugged in. Start with this one. But don't tighten it all the way until you get the other side in. No, just you want that tight seal so no water gets in there. So you kind of want to even it out. Wish I had the L-shaped Torx. Time. That's it, that's tight. Nice and snug. My next video is gonna be about this guy here. See the bushing, control arms are done. They need to be replaced ASAP. So that's gonna be a next video. Control arm, which is this one, and the best part, this one, because it's an xDrive. Let me just show you what I need to do. The axle sits right on top of the control arm. So I don't have enough clearance to remove it without removing the axle. So I have to unhook the whole wheel hub off the axle to get access. That's gonna be a lot of fun. So we put everything back on. A lot of people had to remove the, the whole bumper so they can remove the headlight to get clearance for the, for the TMS module to get it out, because the frame was right in the way, as you can see. I mean, I just wiggled it, squeezed it, and that did it. I didn't have to do anything else. So if you guys ever would have to do this, you don't have to take the bumper off to remove the headlights, none of that. Just you're gonna be a little nervous because you're gonna think you're gonna break it, because it's obviously it's an electronic board, so you don't want it to get cracked from forcing it or anything like that. But yeah, it's all good. I mean, headlights are working.